What's going on, everybody? It's a beautiful Saturday today. Wanted to take the Grom out for a little ride. I got some errands to do, but first gotta stop at Chevron and fill up a little bit. What's up, buddy? Okay, right now I'm like 2 lines. That's like a quarter tank left, and I'm sitting at 87.5 miles per gallon. So let's see how much it takes, how much money it takes to fill it up till full. Always put 91 in your motorcycles, guys, to the very, very top. $5.84, 1.024 gallons. Wow, that's cheap. I mean, it's cheap to fill up your Grom. Not really cheap gas, but cheap to fill up your Grom nonetheless. Should we take the freeway or the side streets? The side streets light is green, so I'll take the side streets for now. Actually, it's a good thing I took the side street. Look at the freeway, dude. It's all backed up. People are getting on the freeway now. I think I will stay on the side streets because that still looks a little congested. Okay, now let's hop on the freeway. I want to see what I could get this up to today. Dude, what's with all the cars today? 81. Hopefully the camera was able to show the speedometer. I posted a reel a couple of weeks back of me hitting 80, but you couldn't even really see the speedometer, so I'm not sure if everybody believed that it was going 80, but that's all. I tried really hard this time to show the speedometer. Hopefully it came up on the video. But yeah, it said 81 for a second. Actually, I gotta get in this lane. I'm gonna hit up Staples because I need to buy a new editing program for my new laptop that I bought. Freddy's, that place is good. And of course, we gotta get the VIP parking up front. There we go. Here we go. Video Studio Ultimate 2022. They don't have the 2023 version. This is my jam. $70. Alright, let's pay for it. Alright, so let's go home and install this on the new laptop, and hopefully I got some cool new editing features on my videos for you guys. And I love these saddlebags, man. They always come in handy when I go out shopping and stuff. And you can see I still got the Kemimoto bag plate, baggage bar. Okay. I'm in the mood for some boba. Let's go get some boba. Can we exit this way? Yes, we can. And I have another product from Kemimoto that I haven't made a video on yet. But since I'm gonna go get some boba, I might as well record a video on it. And what it is, it's a cup holder for your motorcycle. I use it a lot on my Harley. I haven't used it yet on my Grom, so we'll see how that goes. I'm not quite sure yet where I'm gonna mount it. Like, it's supposed to go on the handlebars somewhere, but I guess I'll figure it out when I get the boba in my hand. They like the Grom. Yeah, man, a lot of people love these things. I mean, they're not like the fastest, most powerful things, but people just love them to have fun in. And if you live in the area, try Organic Fusion Tea House. This place is pretty good. Okay, so taro with boba.
The smoothie or the green tea?
The smoothie.
And it's regular dairy, okay?
Yes. Okay. Ooh, it feels warm. It's cold up here, but the boba feels all warm. Nice. Man, it's leaking everywhere. I mean, it's not leaking, but dripping from the lid. Let's drink some so it's not so full. Bomb. So bomb. Here it is. Oh shoot. Kemimoto. It's awesome. I use it on my Harley when I get Starbucks, and I used it for boba a couple times too. So I know it works really good, but I just never used it on the Grom yet. It's not gonna work. I could take this off and put it... No, that won't work either. I won't be able to turn. I mean, I could put it like that. But I don't know. Awesome. I found a place. Good thing I had this. Look at that. Perfect. And let's make this go over the edge. And then tighten it with this ball string. Awesome. Kemimoto does it again. Awesome. Let's fix the angle a little bit. There we go. The cops were staring at the Grom. I could see them. Oh dang. It looks like the park is empty today. Let's do some wheelies over here. Usually this is like full of cars and there's like a soccer game going on, but I guess none today. Oh shoot. a little sideways right there. Getting sideways. Somebody tell me what I'm doing wrong. A little more straight there. That was a good one. Alright. Covering the brake too fast. I gotta get it time to get up first. And then when I give it time, I go sideways. So somebody please, if you can, tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I'm open for criticism. I just want to learn how to do these clean. I should start wrapping it up. I don't want to piss off these neighbors right here with my loud exhaust. So let's get a few more and then we'll head out. Oh. Oh. Damn it. Did I break my... Oh! Well, this... I think I just gotta tighten it. It came loose. But look at that, it didn't break. Huh. Awesome. And I was about to head out too, I even said it. That's funny. Stuff always works out that way. What the hell? Is it flooded? What the hell's going on? Alright. I guess it was just flooded. I don't know why it wasn't starting earlier. That was weird. Well, that really killed the mood for the session. So I'm just gonna drink some of this and then head back. Well, alright guys. That's gonna conclude the video for today. I still gotta go home and give myself a haircut, get a workout in, and get ready for work tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, so this is just a quick video showing that the Kemimoto mirror is still really good and not broken or anything, just a little scratches. So I just had to tighten that and tighten that a little bit, and you can see, good to go. The bike landed on it and still working strong.